Hey guys, I wanted to show you a really quick demo on how to use Zoom meetings waiting rooms. Now, this is a really great use case for things like virtual office hours for educators, physicians, and those in the healthcare industry. Basically, what a waiting room is, it's a virtual queue. The cool thing about this is they don't know, people in the queue don't know who else is in the queue. And as a host, you can admit people in one by one, remove them, and then admit the next person, and you can admit them in any order that you like. So how you can do this is really simple. It's the same workflow, whether you have a Zoom Basic account, Pro, Biz, or Enterprise account. All you need to do is click Schedule. Let's call this Waiting Room Demo. You set the date and time that you want to have this, and I like to have my meeting ID generate automatically. Um, so once you have all your information, you can go down to advanced settings. And what I recommend is one, obviously, you have to have enable waiting room checked in order to use this feature in the Zoom meeting. I like to uncheck enable join before host because I want to be the first person in my meeting. And then you can, you can either mute or unmute participants on entry. The important thing is to make sure this is checked. So then you click schedule. So once you click schedule, you're going to have all your meeting ID information populate. You're going to have your meeting link. So I like to copy and paste this, and I can either email it out, send it out via chat. And the other thing you can do is add guests via email here. And you can, have them not see the guest list. So you can, invite and send it out to whoever, and they won't know who's on the invitation. So this is really helpful for maintaining confidentiality. So once you save, you're going to see that there's the waiting room demo scheduled, and that's pretty much it. All right, I'm going to join this meeting. And you can see that I am in the meeting now. And as a host, you'll just wait until people start popping in. All right, so you can see here that we have our first, let's see, our first participant in the waiting room. Oh, we have our second person that just popped in. So basically, Michael and Ryan don't know that they're in the waiting room. They don't see each other's names or anything. I can go ahead and admit Michael in by clicking admit here. Awesome. So it looks like Michael is joined in on his iPad. So you could join in via your mobile device, your tablet, or your desktop. Hi, Michael. And so the cool thing about this is once I talk to Michael, let's say I'm a physician or an educator, I could be like, Michael, you need to go to the doctor. You need to get out ASAP. Um, I could kick him out and have him, you know, have him go to the hospital. All right, so to kick him out of the meeting and admit the next person, without having Michael or Ryan kind of run into each other, I would just click more next to Michael's name and then remove him. Okay, then I'm gonna go ahead and admit Ryan in. Hi Ryan, you are on mute, but thank you for joining. You are in this meeting now. Let's call this a physician's appointment, right? Awesome. Okay, so Ryan didn't see the other patient that I had, and basically I just transitioned him in, and I can, once again, Michael or Ryan, you look healthy. I can kick him out and basically move on to the next patient or next appointment. All right, so that's pretty much the Zoom meetings waiting room feature. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to look up more resources on our support pages, but hopefully that was helpful to get you guys started.